The bugs are coming. Billions of bugs. The periodic cicada invasion is just days away in many states, and we are so pleased that one of our own, John Yang, has gone and learned what you need to know to cope with the coming brood.
Let's see if we can find somebody under here, maybe.
Entomologist Mike Raup, a.k.a. the Bug Guy, and I are hunting cicada in his neighbor's backyard in Columbia, Maryland.
Oh, boy, there we go. Look at that. Oh, yeah.
Specifically, Raup, his neighbor Tim Hughes, and I, by the way, all of us are fully vaccinated, along with Hughes' 3-year-old granddaughter Emily, were looking for brood 10 cicadas.
What do you think?
Pretty good?
Good?
Yeah? He's pretty cute, isn't he?
We dug up the cicadas and then put them back. But soon we won't have to look very hard for them. They'll climb out from holes in the ground after 17 years below the surface. And there will be a lot of them.
You know, 12, 13, 14 holes. That's probably going to translate in an acre to several 100,000 of cicadas per acre.
Wow. Just in this backyard.
It is going to be crazy. There are literally going to be billions, if not trillions, of periodical cicadas emerging in 15 states, from Georgia to New York City, and then west to the Mississippi River, Ohio, Indiana, and Illinois.
North American periodical cicadas emerge together in groups called broods in distinct geographic areas after spending 13 or 17 years underground. Brood 10 is one of the biggest and will come out when the soil reaches 64 degrees.
These guys have been underground for 17 years, sucking on the sap of tree roots. They're going to make a jailbreak just at nightfall. Their skin is going to split open on the back. They're going to pop out of there, and they're going to move to the safety of the treetops. Then within a span of about maybe a week or 10 days, it's going to be a big boy band, because only the males sing.
And they are loud.